Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today is confession day. I have a confession. I have never liked grits. Never liked grits at all. I judge grits. I knock grits before I tried grits. When I think of grits, my immediate thought is cornmeal porridge on the sweet side. You know, I couldn't envision it being on the savory side, but honey, and those of you in the Caribbean and the West Indies, y'all know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make y'all a believer like it did me, okay? So to my chicken stock, I'll be adding my grits. Now you're gonna cook to the specification on the box. I'm cooking this for 15 minutes. Then I'm going to add some half and half. You can add some heavy cream or you can add some milk. When it is nice and creamy, you can add your cheese of your choice. My preference here was the smoked gouda, which I absolutely love. Yes, honey, I love smoked gouda so much. And you are going to cream that in and set aside. Now to this pot, we are going to make our creamy bacon sauce. You can use your bacon dripping. Add your onion, garlic, green onions, parsley, black pepper, chili flakes, and you can add your half and half. All right. Then we are going to cook this. Not to worry, the ingredients, the measurements will be in the description box. Then after about 3 to 4 minutes, you are going to add some cheese or not. I choose to add a little bit of smoked gouda and grated Parmesan. Then I added my diced bacon and set aside. Now it is time for us to plate our grits. Okay, look at this, guy. It is so creamy. Then we are going to scoop that amazing, delicious bacon creamy sauce right over the top. Now this was eaten with some Parmesan crusted stuffed chicken wings, baby. Look at that right there. Now grits, I'm sorry, honey. I judged you, but man, y'all, this grits made me a believer. So I want you guys to give grits a chance. Try grits. It is super delicious. You can eat grits with whatever you want to eat it with or by itself. This one was just perfect for me. All right, if you guys are new, please try this recipe. Do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let me know how you like your grits. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye. Love y'all.